On this day in history, one of the greatest achievements in history happened.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
On the 20th of July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first man to walk on the moon. They spent around 21 hours on the moon doing scientific experiments and collecting samples. Fun fact, when the lunar module was making the descent to the lunar surface, the automated system was guiding them to a rocky part of the lunar surface, so they would have crashed. Neil Armstrong took control of the lunar module manually and guided it to the Sea of Tranquility, a part that was that was safe for them to land on. Recently, India's Chandrayaan lunar mission got pictures of the Apollo 11 and Apollo 12 landing sites where you can see the lunar landers. Now let's give you some amazing facts about the Apollo 11 mission. The Apollo 11 mission, the first man to walk on the moon, was only 66 years after the first ever powered flight, the Wright brothers flight in 1903. Only 66 years between this and that. How much more powerful is a modern smartphone, iPhone, than the Apollo 11 mission, the computers? Well, the processing speed of a modern smartphone, the iPhone 6 in particular, was 100,000 times better than the computer that was on Apollo 11. An iPhone 6 could calculate 120 million more calculations per second than the Apollo 11 computer. And the memory power alone, the memory on a modern smartphone is millions of times better than the Apollo 11 computer. So it just puts into perspective how amazing this achievement was in history.